Exporting is where your email finally leaves the cozy safety of the editor and steps into the messy world of inboxes and devices. So the quality of your HTML matters a lot. Beefree helps you ship clean, semantic, accessible code every time, so what you designed is exactly what your audience receives. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain why clean, semantic HTML matters, how Beefree builds it for you in the background, and how easy it is to export that HTML so it works everywhere it lands. Let's get started. First, let's define two quick terms. Clean HTML simply means HTML that's organized, readable, and free of unnecessary code. Clean HTML loads faster, breaks less often, and is easier for email clients and assistive tech to understand. Semantic HTML is the use of HTML tags that clearly define the purpose and meaning of the content they enclose. For example, H1 for a main heading, U1 for a list, or giving a button the right role so screen readers know it's clickable. When your HTML is both clean and semantic, you get more consistent rendering across inboxes, better mobile behavior, a logical reading order for screen readers, more predictable dark mode behavior, fewer bugs in ESPs like Outlook, and faster loading times. Semantic HTML is what makes all of this possible. The great news is that if you're building your email in Beefree, in other words, using content blocks and rows, the builder is already doing that work behind the scenes for you. Let me explain. As we mentioned previously, Beefree generates clean, semantic HTML automatically behind the scenes as you design. For example, as we build out this higher ed email, headings become real H1 and H2 tags in the background. The Who's Eligible section is exported as an actual U1 list. Buttons, like Apply Today, get interactive roles so screen readers can announce them as buttons. The What You'll Receive section, benefit cards, use semantic containers. And every drag and drop row ships with a built-in structure that preserves reading order and supports accessibility. That means you don't need to learn HTML. Beefree gives you semantic, accessibility-ready code by default, which is why exporting your beautiful email designs is so effortless. Now let's walk through exporting and see how Beefree preserves that structure. When you want to export your email in Beefree, head to the Export button in the top right corner. From here, you can preview your design. So you can do so by copying the link, opening your email in a new tab, or even scanning the QR code to ensure it works on your mobile device. In the Download section, you can easily download the HTML and images or a PDF version of your email depending on your plan. Downloading the HTML and images gives you the complete source files. This is ideal if you're working with a platform that doesn't connect directly to Beefree, if your team needs to host assets on their own CDN, or if you want a clean, portable version of the email for archiving or QA. If you need to copy and paste the HTML code into an email sending platform or marketing software, copying the HTML is one way to do it. This gives you the full semantic HTML Beefree generated. On certain plans, you can even minify or optimize the code to improve loading speed without changing how it looks. Now, when you're ready, you can choose to copy the HTML or even download it here. To streamline sending your emails to your favorite marketing tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Klaviyo, and Marketo, use one of Beefree's built-in connectors. When you export through an integration, Beefree sends your semantic HTML, images, layout structure, alt text, reading order, and button roles, which means everything you depend on to send beautiful, high-performing, and accessible emails stays intact. From there, you can take advantage of your email sending platform's automation tools to make your email campaigns come to life.